Keep it even, John. Yeah, I got this end. Need more hay?
Keep them steady. I will.
Hey everyone! Okay, so I just tried this new CeraVe face wash. I have super sensitive skin and this donkey milk face wash.
I'll admit I was skeptical about Dove.
Okay, so I've tried so many cleansers. Try Cerva Skincare today.
You'll love it.
Keep it even, John. Yeah, I got this end. Need more hay? Keep still for me, little one. Looking good. Almost done here, buddy. Watch your step, darling. Perfect. Nice clean hooves.
Keep them steady. Come on, that's it, gentle. Watch your step. Easy now, that's good.
Hay net adjusted, water bucket secure, ventilation system active. Ready for departure.
Good afternoon. Paperwork, please.
Keep your approach at a 45-degree angle to the shoulder. What if they resist the halter? Move slowly and calmly, rewarding their
Keep them steady. I will. Just need to take this point down.
Open up for me, boy. Just a little. There you go. Okay, he swallowed it all.
Temperature is stable at 38.2. Data synced. Activity levels look good today.
Heart and lungs sound clear. Eyes are bright and clear.
Noted, doctor.
Muscle tone and fat coverage are excellent. The donkey is cleared.
This animal shows excellent health status, approved for ethical processing protocols.
Easy now, plenty of room for everyone. Help yourself to the hay.
It's all right, sweetie. You're doing very well. Just a little longer now.
Good girl, you did so well.
The pH is spot on at 7.0.
Excellent. Let's print the certificate and get it stamped for cosmetic production.
Welcome to the formulation lab.
Here is batch DB250204-A, approved and ready for use.
We need to find DMW001. Ensure the glycerin is at 5%.
pH 5.5 achieved live. Formulation complete.
Batch FWDB at 00 results confirmed. pH stable at 5.5, the stable at 5.5.
We are at 5 kilograms for the oil blend.
Confirmed. Ensure the lye mixture stays below 35 degrees Celsius.
Perfect. 38 degrees Celsius, perfect for milk proteins.
Beautiful color and scent, ready for molds.
Copy that. Ready to proceed with the shipment. Pallet 1, CeraVe face wash. Secure. Copy that. Moving to pallet 2.
3 pallets, minus 300 total units, minus cosmetic products, Nautilus approved for transport.
Thanks, you too. Good morning. Package delivery for Beauty Plus.
Morning.
Morning. Here's your order.
Great. Let's get these in.
Make sure the pumps are perfectly straight. I'm starting the pyramid stack here. Does this sign look good above the cleanser? It's perfect. Now for the price tags. Welcome to Beauty Plus. Let me know if I can help you find anything today.
Hello, thank you.
Donkey milk, 15% glycerin, and it's suitable for sensitive skin.
Oh,
A handcrafted soap with lavender. Ah, home. Time to try these out. Welcome. Thanks.
That smells wonderful. Feels so soft. Oh wow, my skin feels incredibly soft. Usually cleansers make my face feel tight and dry, but this actually feels moisturized. Hey everyone! Okay, so I just tried this new CeraVe face wash and I have to share because my skin feels amazing. It's
obsessed with this new find. CeraVe face wash is a game changer for my sensitive dry skin.
Need to try this. Where to buy Donkey Milk face wash near me?
Think you'd like this? Natural ingredients.
I have super sensitive skin and this Donkey Milk face wash.
I'll admit I was skeptical about Dove.
Okay, so I've tried so many cleansers.
Try
Cerva Skincare today.
You'll love it.